At Be Positive, they manufacture their range of composite half-frame hive boxes on site. Now, here's Steve to explain the manufacturing process.
Put another one together. This material we can cut perfectly and it doesn't shrink. You'll notice on our boxes the corners are rounded. Just take the sharp edges off. That just makes them a little softer when you use them without taking anything away from the strength. They're just nicer to use. Put the handles on. And another beautiful little half-depth box, easy to use, really good for my lady beekeepers. They love these half-depth boxes because they're manageable for them. And my older male beekeepers are going to them because as they get older, the full-depth supers are just so hard to use. The half-depths really come into their own there.
So make sure you check out the range of composite half-frame hive boxes manufactured on-site, along with other beekeeping supplies and raw honey, available in-store at Be Positive in Yandina and online at bepositive.com.au.